Good morning. Thank you for joining us for this H.E.A.T. My name is Katie Garrett. I am the teacher for our Intro to Mindfulness or Beginner's Mindfulness course for mindfulness meditators, those just wanting to start out. I have personally been practicing for about 10 years, and meditation came into my life through some hard times, as I think it does for a lot of people. Especially a year kind of like 2020 and what we're experiencing now. I had just graduated from university and was trying to, figure out what my next steps were, not getting really a great job in the career I studied and things like that. So I started experiencing anxiety and panic attacks, was diagnosed with generalized anxiety disorder. And for me, I started on the medication and everything like that. I'm not against medication, but thought there might be a more sustainable way to deal with it. And so for me, my dad was actually the one that introduced mindfulness-based stress reduction, or MBSR, we sometimes call it, and which involves dealing with things in a mindful way and using meditation as a stress reliever, a calming aid. So that is kind of the basis of what I teach. It's a very non-secular version of meditation. Of course, it has roots in Buddhism, but there is no religious affiliation. Most of it is just based on breathing exercises, which are extremely helpful in calming down the nervous system. Breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is our rest and digest part of our nervous system. And so a lot of what I teach is based on breathing techniques, doing like a body scan, bringing our attention on purpose to different parts of the body, to different sensations going on in the physical body, really moving our extroverted attention inside, so that we can really focus on what is happening, being in the present moment, knowing how different emotions are affecting us physically, so that we can kind of get to the root of what's going on with our experience, and then bringing a dose of equanimity to things. Equanimity being kind of an openness to whatever happens, whatever is going on with your experience, whatever emotions you are experiencing, physical pain, anything like that, just kind of being open to it, being there with it, instead of resisting it, which is really where our suffering comes in. So for me, this has been a life changer, really. I did eventually get off medicine because I felt like I was coping with my stress well enough using mindfulness techniques and a meditation practice. And that's really why I teach. I like bringing this to the general public just because it's so accessible. And anyone can do it. You don't need any sort of special training or interests. An interest in meditation, of course, is helpful and will sustain your practice. But you can do it sitting in a chair, sitting on a couch. You can do it standing. You can do mindfulness practices, even just walking and being around and doing your daily life, washing dishes, brushing your teeth, walking the dog, whatever it might be, even in traffic, obviously with your eyes open. But mindfulness itself is such an accessible technique to reduce stress, to deal with our daily lives even just a little bit better. And I definitely credit a daily practice to getting me through a lot of rough stuff this last year. Not only, everything that's going on for everyone with coronavirus or racial injustice or political tensions, whatever it might be that affects you, but I had some personal things in my life, really kind of rock the boat. So I feel like for me, when life is kind of this crazy roller coaster like this, a mindfulness meditation practice just kind of allows it to be a little bit more of like a rolling wave instead of a roller coaster. So that's my little pitch for starting a mindfulness practice of your own. And specifically with the class, the beginner's meditation class through H.E.A.T, we welcome you to come in with zero experience, total novice, that's great. Or if you even have a practice and you feel like you want maybe some feedback or some personal attention, this is an interactive class that's only a half hour. We'll probably even only meditate for about 15 minutes of it and have a little bit of time for feedback or discussion or questions. Just so those who are new to this don't need to dive in with a 45-minute, hour-long meditation. And as your teacher, I really enjoy having some of that feedback from people. When I'm guiding too, I'm still learning, I'm still practicing. That's why it's a practice. I'm never going to be perfect at it. But I enjoy hearing how my guidance has reacted with different meditators, and seeing what was good for you, if it wasn't good for you. And, all of those things are good things for both of us. So the class is 9:30 a.m. on Saturdays. If you go to heateducation.org, you can find where to register. It's free. You can also find the class schedule. It's not every Saturday right now, so just log on to H.E.A.T education.org to register. Again, my name is Katie. I hope to see you at the next class. Thanks so much for being here.